Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer music from iPhone to PC without iTunes. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. TunesGO. Wondershare TunesGO is a great software through which you can transfer your files like photos, music, etc., from PC to iPhone and vice versa. You can also move data from Mac to Android, iOS and vice versa. It allows you to transfer all files between two mobile phones. Highlights of TunesGO. You can create GIF files from photos or videos. You can fix iOS, iPad. You can root Android devices. Backup and restore your data including SMS and emails. Transfer iOS, Android media to iTunes and vice versa. How to transfer music from PC to iPhone. Firstly, visit the official site of Wondershare TunesGO and download the application. Install and launch the application. Then you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Connect your iPhone to your computer using the USB cable. And allow permission on your iPhone and it starts scanning the whole iPhone. Now move to the music section by clicking on the music option, available in the top menu. Click on Add option. The options list will open. Choose Add File option, if you want to add a single file. Choose the Add Folder option, if you want to add whole folder at a time. Here, I'm choosing Add File option. A window will pop up. Locate the file from that window. Later, click on Open. That's it, the file will be imported. Now, let's see how to transfer music from iPhone to PC. While being in the music section, choose the music files that you want to transfer. Later, click on the Export option. Then two options will appear. Choose the Export to PC option. A window will pop up. Choose the destination to where you want to transfer. And, click on OK. Then it starts transferring and shows you this notification after completion of transfer process. Number 2. iMazing. iMazing is a premium and powerful iOS manager that allows you to handle all your Apple devices at a very reasonable cost. This is a very trusted software by Apple users across the globe. iMazing can be installed on both Windows and macOS platforms. Highlights of iMazing. Friendly user interface. Powerful performance. Smarter backups. Exclusive app management. Transfer data from old iPhone to new one. iOS advanced management. How to transfer music from PC to iPhone. Firstly, visit the official site of iMazing and download the latest version. Install and launch the application. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Then the iMazing software scans your iPhone and shows the options as displaying on the screen. Click on the Music option and you will find all the music present on iPhone. Click on Import from Folder option. Then a small window will pop up. Choose the folder from where you want to transfer the music files, and click on OK. Then it starts to import the files, and shows you the notification as showing in the tutorial after the completion of transfer process. Now let's see how to transfer music files from iPhone to PC. From the music section, choose the music files, and click on Import to Folder option. Then Export options window will pop up. Click on Next. Then another window will pop up. Choose the targeted folder. And click on OK. Then the transfer process starts and the status can be seen at the top right of the window. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.